Here we have an OPPO Find X5 Pro that can't charge anymore. It needs a charging port replacement. We'll use the Polartec Magic Self-Heating Pad to soften the adhesive. Once heated, it's time to remove the back cover. Use a metal pick to create a small gap, then add a bit of alcohol to loosen the adhesive. Since the back cover has already been removed before, it comes off quite easily this time. If you face resistance during removal, just add a bit of alcohol to help loosen it. That will soften the adhesive and make it easier. Next, remove the motherboard bracket and disconnect power. There are 10 screws here that need to be taken out. Pay attention to the flash FEC, gently flip it up, otherwise it may tear. Now, disconnect the battery BTB connector. Since the charging FPC is located under the battery, we need to remove the battery first. Then pull up the two adhesive pull tabs to release the old battery. If you don't peel off this black strip first, it may take much more effort to remove the battery. It's not very sticky, just takes a little effort to remove. Because we're replacing the back cover with a new one. We can see that the FPC is right under this film. At this point, clean off the remaining adhesive on the mid-frame. Now let's remove the subboard bracket. The charging FPC is pressed under the subboard, so we have to take out the subboard. Since this FPC was disassembled before, removal is a bit easier. If you face difficulty, add a small amount of alcohol to assist. Here is our new charging FPC. We'll first align and install both ends. Use a tool like this to press the FPC neatly into the frame. To fit the mid-frame better, we need to pre-bend this spot. Installing this part requires a little patience. At this point, we can fit it nicely onto the mid-frame. Alright, let's reinstall the subboard. Make sure all BTB connectors are properly seated. Also tidy up the coaxial cable. Now, place the battery back in position. Don't forget to reconnect the flash FPC. Let's power it on to check if the phone boots normally. You'll notice we still have a protective film on the display. We'll test later to see if it can charge. Looks good! Finally, reinstall all 18 screws securely. Since the back cover was also damaged, we replace it with a new one. For a better seal, use clamps to secure the phone for about 2 hours. Let's check the final result. Perfect! And that's it! The OPPO Find X5 Pro charging port replacement is complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.